Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to discover a world where letters dance and play with you? We'll travel to a magical place where learning is full of fun. Join us and discover the magic of each letter. Our magical adventure is about to begin.
A magical learning journey in a magical land full of color and laughter. All the letters of the alphabet lived together in Alphabet Village. It was a special day because the letters were planning a joyful celebration, and they invited the babies from Baby Town to join them. Together, they would learn, play, and have the best day ever. The celebration begins as the sun rose over Alphabet Village. I picked up a guitar and strummed a cheerful tune. A baby clapped along, giggling at the happy melody. "Let's bounce," shouted B, who bounced up and down with energy. A baby tried to bounce along, their laughter filling the air. Over by the kitchen, C cooked tasty cookies.
"Try one,"
C said. A baby took a bite and smiled big.
Yummy!
The baby exclaimed, exploring new things. D danced around in circles, holding hands with the baby.
"Twirled and twirled."
They twirled and twirled until they fell down, laughing. Nearby, he was exploring a garden. "Look," said he as a butterfly fluttered by. The baby pointed in wonder at all the discoveries. F flew a bright, colorful kite that soared high above them. The baby's eyes grew wide with amazement. G juggled colorful balls, giggling. The baby laughed too, clapping at the funny tricks. Playing and learning together, he hopped in a circle.
"Hop with me."
H said. The baby hopped right beside H. "I invented a fun machine,"
"Press this button."
I said. The baby pushed it and the machine spun and beeped. On a trampoline, J jumped joyfully. The baby bounced along. K kicked a ball high into the air. The baby cheered.
"Yoo-hoo!"
L told a silly joke, and both the letter and baby laughed until their sides hurt. A parade of fun. M marched to the beat of a drum. Left, right, right. A baby followed, marching in step. At the river, N navigated a tiny boat. The baby waved from the shore, shouting, "A good luck." O opened a treasure chest. "What's inside?" asked the baby. They peeked in together with wonder. P painted. P painted a picture. "Let's paint together." The baby added a few strokes, making a colorful masterpiece. Q snuck up quietly and shouted,
"Cool!"
The baby squealed with surprise and delight. R raced as fast as the wind, while the baby cheered.
"Go, go, go."
S slid down a slide. The baby slid right behind, smiling from ear to ear. T twirled like a top. U unlocked a big mystery door.
"What's behind it?"
The baby peeked through curiously. Kindness and magic. V helped a friend in need.
"Here's a toy,"
said the baby, offering a little car. W waved a magic wand, making sparkles dance in the air. The baby clapped in amazement. X played a happy tune on a xylophone. The baby danced to the rhythm, their feet tapping away. Y yelled
Yay!
with excitement. The baby echoed.
"Gee!"
Finally, Z zoomed by on a scooter. The baby pretended to ride one too, laughing all the way. The grand celebration. As the day came to an end, all the letters and babies gathered together in the town square. Holding hands, they spelled out, "We love the alphabet." The sky filled with balloons, music, and joy. The letters and babies knew they had learned something important that day. Learning is fun when we do it together. And every letter has its own special magic. And from that day on, they always remembered that the alphabet wasn't just for learning. It was for playing, discovering, and sharing happiness too.